Hi everyone, we're going to make a pair of green earrings for those people born in May out there. So here we go, and I'm going to use these little flowery. I think they're cute. They're spacers. And these are probably 8mm. Those are 6. So that's an 8mm. Put another one there. Put a dark one beside of it. Yeah, I had to work Friday, so I didn't get to work in the basement any. And my husband and son was gone the first part of the day, so we usually try to get some stuff done around the house, but I had to go somewhere. So and now I'm being serenaded by the frogs. I don't know if y'all can hear them on the camera or not. And in the mornings as I leave for work, there is a bird out in our rhododendron every morning that sings to me as I go out the door. Probably has a nest there. It's probably alerting other birds saying, "Get out here, here she comes." Would be my guess, but I don't know. It has the prettiest song. And it does. It serenades me every morning. Every morning this week it has sang to me. So it probably has a nest in that tree bush. Just as long as it ain't something that can bite me, I'm good. They said we had coyotes or something near here the other day. And I read that if you run into a coyote, you better hold your ground. So, or if my knee the way it is, I'll have to hold my ground because I ain't running. Oh, you just curl it down like that. Can't see what I'm doing, but like that. That's just a simple pair, and see, these are really thick wire, so you can do those like that. The thin wire that you can bend just with your finger. Thin wire you can bend like this. You have better wrap it around. And in some of my other videos you'll see that. Twist it open. Always twist open, do not lift up. And then twist back and push it down against that wire. Excuse me. Twist it down against that wire because right here you do not want a gap or your earring will fall off. Twist it open. See? Put it on. You're going to hold that bead while you're doing all this because otherwise it's going to fall down in that gap. And I always check to make sure that you are together there and that there's no gap here. And there's another little simple pair of earrings for May. Birthstone is emerald. thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking it out to the end and liking and subscribing. I really appreciate it. And until next time, y'all take care out there. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.